Okay, we do some logistic regression and linear regression and polynomial. These are so easy. We do a great project on logistic regression and a good one in polynomial. I think it's enough for regression. We should go to the next level. Let's go to sklearn. sklearn. Let's go to the main site, main web page. We do regression. The next thing we are going to learn about is classification and clustering. And about trees, we gonna learn more about them. Let's go to classification. We have some classification models and another thing. I can't make everything in one program, and we need a lot more time, but we are going little by little to the end of this program. Maybe I give you a little about classification and other things and jump deeper into neural network that is more complicated and better in West phase. In the next class, we are going to learn about classification and then jump deep into neural network. And have a good day. It's really enjoyable for me, this course. If it helped you, I'm really happy to hear that. And sorry for the voice, or I can't tell you very well, but I love you very much. That thanks for your time that give to me, and have a good day. Bye.